I'm using my laptop, my work laptop, while I'm away, so this is in Windows. To turn off the update notifications, click Edit, then Preferences. You'll see a tab over here called Updates. I have mine set to never check for updates. If I want to go and look for an update, I will do that myself. In fact, there's a link here for where you can go and check for updates. I'm going to click this now. Brings me to the Silhouette website and lets me look at the different software programs. I don't want Silhouette Connect right now. I want to look at Silhouette Studio. And this is where you can see the different versions. And once I click that, it will download it for me. I'm going to cancel out of that. And I'm going to click Learn More. This is where it tells me the different version numbers, and it provides the release notes. When you click that, you'll see that there are release notes for all the different releases that have been issued by Silhouette, and it tells you what those releases cover.